Petra bought me a birthday present. Well, actually she bought me two presents. And ta-da. Ta-da. So it's my birthday present because my birthday happens to be first. So I have a feeling Petra's going to be using it more than I will. Yeah, really. We can finally use all our Tablesaw stuff that we bought years ago. Alright, well let's bring that upstairs and unpack it. So also included in the gifts is the stand with wheels. So I got 3 pieces to open. I guess we'll do the table legs first, and I guess that's the wrong term. Those must be the legs, I guess, and that would be the table. Yeah. So it will be mobile, but you can see by the size of this one. Yeah, we decided to go with the big one. The one we had in Tabor was a little DeWalt, which was really good. I would suggest it to anyone. Good price, good quality, and just the right size to move around. But we don't have the need to move this at all, and the end plan is to put it in a proper, quote-unquote proper working table, workshop table, you know, where we can cut plywood and other things. So I guess this isn't really an unboxing video anyways. You get the idea. We'll probably come back after we've set things up or open the other box. So my industrious wife made us the, look at this thing, man, this is like a tank frame. Yay. Alright,
okay,
so we're ready for this? Okay. And we got our supervisor. Hello. Petra decided he is a tiger, so that's tiger.
Tiger.
And I went up and saw our neighbor here. They're up clearing the north end of their land all day today. And there's supervisor number 2. I, of course, am the cameraman, so like all true documentaries, I don't want to be involved unless I what is it? Affect the natural outcourse of the subject material? Is that something? I can't remember. Alright, let's see. Well, we got all this great kindling starter. We're saving all our cardboard for the fireplace because it's actually better at starting fires than paper, at least in my opinion. Oh, look how white it is. But this we don't need. Oh ho! Pretties. Now we can actually start doing things. That's nice, isn't it?
Big.
Yeah.
Bigger than I thought.
I really appreciate, yeah, you buying this one, because the little one, like I said, is really good, but I think the stuff that we're going to end up cutting is going to need a hefty table. and a hefty shop vac system. We're gonna have to work that out with our cool new vacuum.
Yeah, so I might need 2 people.
Yeah, I think you might, yeah.
Lift this out
All right.
up here.
I'll put the audience on hold and I'll
Quite wobbly. Adjustable for the. Wow, that's I think. Yes, slightly angled with its adjustment. Definitely.
yeah, I wonder if those two. Yeah, this thing interests me. If you pull up, oh, let me get in the way here. So the wood is fed through lifting this up by the width of the wood, and this stays down until the wood gets too thick, and this lifts up, which creates this. I mean, sure, you're not going to be cutting wood that thick, but anyway, we're learning as we go. But we both agree this is kind of strangely short, is it not? I mean, it's enough to get it to the saw. I suppose that's all you need. Yeah? After that is unimportant. I guess that enables the wood to separate after the. Yeah, that makes sense too. Didn't our other table saw tend to get stuck at this point because that was too long?
Because when it's angled wrongly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that pinches it in. Oh, very interesting. Very interesting. Aha. Our angled. Oh, that's really cool. Comes with its own angle. That's really neat.
So that looks good as it is.
Yay. What do you think, Supervisor?
This can go in here somewhere. There is a space for it.
Nice.
In here. That's a blade holder, I think.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool.
There.
Yeah.
I haven't found a place for this one, maybe on the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, and it has a kickback thing here attached with the screws.
Well, it's all very nice. Ah, an attachment. Yay, that looks like it's going to fit our brand new vacuum too. Oh, the vacuum is upstairs now, so we can test it out. Okay. Woohoo!